Saudi Aramco, officially known as the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, is a global energy powerhouse and the world's largest oil company by production, reserves, and revenue. Founded in 1933 as the Arabian American Oil Company, Aramco, it was originally a partnership between the government of Saudi Arabia and several American oil companies. However, in 1980, the Saudi government acquired full control of the company, renaming it Saudi Aramco. Headquartered in Dhahran, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Aramco operates in all aspects of the oil and gas industry, including exploration, production, refining, distribution, and marketing. It holds the largest proven crude oil reserves in the world, estimated at over 260 billion barrels, and is a key player in global energy markets, influencing oil prices and supply dynamics. The company's operations span the entire hydrocarbon value chain, from upstream activities such as oil and gas exploration and production in Saudi Arabia's vast oil fields, to downstream activities including refining, petrochemicals, and distribution through its extensive network of pipelines, terminals, and refineries both domestically and internationally. Saudi Aramco plays a central role in the Saudi economy, contributing significantly to the kingdom's GDP, government revenues, and employment. It is also a major contributor to social development initiatives in Saudi Arabia, funding education, healthcare, infrastructure, and other projects aimed at improving the quality of life for Saudi citizens. With its strategic importance in the global energy landscape and its dominant position in the oil market, Saudi Aramco remains a critical player in shaping the future of the energy industry.